What's going on, guys? Here I'm looking at the Joyzis portable power station. Now this is an awesome power station. It's got a built-in flashlight, it's got a USB-C charger, a USB charger, a standard outlet, and it's also got a strobe light built in. A ton of features on this device here. Let's go ahead, unbox it, and check it out. So opening up the box, we have an instruction manual. All the power cords are in this box here. So we've got a USB-C charger for the portable power station, and this is the outlet it plugs into. We also have a car charger, so you can charge this power station in your car. Now here is a look at the power station. It's really cool. These handles come up so you can just grab it and head out, go camping, whatever you want to do with this power station. Up top, it features a wireless charger, so you can place your iPhone right here, Android, whatever you want, and charge your phone. So to enable the wireless charging, we first just press this power button to turn on the power station. We press and hold wireless charging. You'll see a green light flash, and you can simply just place your device right on top. The power station also features an outlet. This features 300 watts of output, so you can plug in laptops, TVs, maybe even a small fridge into this outlet here. It also features a 12-volt DC out, so you can power any standard car outlet stuff. It's got 3 USB ports. And the first one, the orange one here, features 5 or 9 volts, and then the other two have a 5 or 9 volt. The DC in is where we would charge it with the car power adapter, so we simply just plug it in here, and we can plug this into our car. This provides a DC out as well for direct current, and this is the most awesome feature here is the USB-C charging port. But it also doubles as an output. So this does input and output, and you can charge your laptop, your MacBook right on this. So to charge the battery pack, we simply just plug it in. We plug the other end into the wall. You can see it's automatically charging now. So here's a quick look. I've got my MacBook here. I've got an iPhone here. And I can charge my MacBook using the USB-C output. And automatically it's charging my MacBook now. So as you can see in the top right corner, it's automatically charging my MacBook. Also, I can plug in my iPhone and charge it right here as well. This iPhone is currently off. However, you can charge multiple devices at once. Use this standard outlet and car adapter all at the same time. Now, here are some other features of the device. If we press and hold this flashlight button here, it turns on the side flashlight, and we can just grab it with the handles and use this as a flashlight. Really nice feature. To turn it off, we just press and hold it. The right side features a smaller flashlight. So, one right there. And what's neat about this one is if we press it again, it turns on a strobe function as well as a slower strobe function. Now this is helpful if you're camping and you might need some help. You can turn on that strobe feature, and it's got that SOS light. To turn on the outlet, we do have to press and hold this. And I do recommend not turning on this outlet when you don't use it, because it converts the direct current to AC current, and that actually uses power in the background when you do that. So only use that, turn it on when you are using it. Again, this is a quick look at the Joyzis power bank and power station. This is 300 watts. It's super awesome. I'm going to use it next time when I go camping, and I'll let you guys know in the description how it works. It's really small. It's smaller than a car battery, but it's also extremely lightweight. If you ever picked up a car battery, you know those are really heavy. This weighs probably around 5 pounds, so it's super lightweight and it's super portable. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did find that video helpful, please hit that thumbs up button, guys. I'll leave a link down below for this product if you are interested. Check out my channel for more tech videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.